So our customer was looking for a solution to their clip driving and screw driving applications. They were manually installing screws and putting clips on by hand, which, if you can imagine, is not very ergonomic and not operator friendly. So we came to them with a solution to do this robotically. So AMS built a dual station robotic fastening machine for this project using 2 robots with precision screw driving systems on the end to install the latch and door lock assembly to the interior panel of this customer's part. And the solution for clipping specifically was for us to take one robot and have a star pattern on the end of the robot to pick up 12 clips at a time and insert all 12 clips in one cycle. We were able to bring all of that together, give them a solution that worked for all the teams, and keep it on a schedule and on a budget.